that show with him on Wednesday nights, and we have such a great time. He loves this baker, and it's been brought back from the archives special for our shows right now. But let me tell you, this is very limited. Like, right? You're not going
That's
to.
correct.
You're not creating more of these.
No.
And what's even more special about this is that it's a baker with a lid, which is also not very common for us here at Temp-tations.
Exactly. Summer shells.
Oh,
so first of all,
summer shells.
I just have to talk about the craftsmanship. There's over 10 different shells on here. There's over 25 Pantone colors.
Oh my gosh.
Like, this is stunning no matter how you look at it. Let's start at the bottom with that beautiful, like, almost yellow ombre checkerboard design right there.
Love it.
Then we come up to these shells, which are figural, which means they're embossed. You can feel every single one of them. The lid is absolutely spectacular.
Yes.
You have, again, that cobblestone effect, and then the same shells that dance all the way around it, and then look at the finial in the middle.
So perfect.
Helper handles on the sides. If you're wondering what, this is a 2-quart, all right? Great for hot, great for cold, great to keep the bugs out.
Amazing. And
Yes.
beautiful decorative art piece for $29.32 and 5 easy payments of $5.86. This is so cute, especially as we're looking into like our summer months.
Yeah.
Coastal decor is really popular.
Sure.
I mean, the mermaid scene is already a big wow. I mean, and especially come this May, I mean, all the kids are going to want all the things mermaid and seashell and under the sea, and this is exactly what you're going to be able to achieve with that moment.
Oh,
now,
it's gorgeous.
And this is also the first day we've ever presented it at this low price.
Yeah, and all we have is all we have. First of all, we don't bring anything back like in patriotic or summer till this time next year, if we bring it back at all. But look at all the great ideas over here, right? Because let us inspire you.
Yes.
Right? So I love the fact fruit salad. You know, this is what Temp-tations is about. Instead of putting this in a metal bowl or a glass bowl, now you have the most beautiful summer baker that you can serve this in, and it's going to keep it nice and cold, and the lid's going to keep it bug-free. Steve, this cake, check it out.
Oh my gosh.
Carol and team, right?
It's adorable.
It's our summer shells cake.
It's so fun. I'm here for that summer cake.
Like, imagine you go to someone's house for dinner and this is what they bring out for dessert. And you're like, what? What? Why did you go to so much trouble for me, right?
I know, right?
But you didn't have to, because Temp-tations makes your food look beautiful. That's such a beautiful shot. Look at that.
All of those different colored shells just really makes this entire dish really pop in a way that makes it so special and decorative, which is really amazing. I think it's so beautiful.
Isn't it gorgeous? So 10 different shells on the top, 25 different Pantone colors. This is actually the finial on the lid, which I just think gives it like such pizzazz.
Oh, definitely. It makes it really special, like definitely an art piece.
Sure.
Which is so cool. But check out what we have right here.
Yes.
Oh my goodness. This broil, this bake, this seafood masterpiece that's happening.
Is that called a low country boil?
Low and.
Is that what that's called?
I think so. Anybody? Yes?
Look at Carol.
Yes. Carol's like, yes.
Where'd everybody go? So I love that, because you pick your favorite food and you decide what you want to put in here. But even things like pork roast, salmon, chicken, it's perfect for that.
Easy, just like that. And I mean, again, we haven't seen a baker with a lid from you all in
a really long time.
While, right?
Yes. That's why when I look at this price, honestly, it's so incredibly expensive to put a lid on a baker. Then all of this hand painting and figural shells.
Beautiful.
This is really that limited edition nostalgic piece to have in your kitchen.
Yes. And this is why David loves his so much, which makes it so special.
He does.
$29.32 for this one and 5 easy payments of $5.86 will bring home your nostalgic summer shells 2-quart covered baker. Now, something else to go along with your baker